Hello friends, today we have to be see the few questions of metallurgy topics. Now let's know the one by ones. 51 fourth questions. Which of the following refractory is acidic materials? It is Al2O3 is acidic refractory materials and remaining are the basic refractory materials. This one is. The good refractory should have low porosity. The hard, rigid mass gradually changes into the compact rock-like mass. That process called as a cementing process. The basic raw material used for manufacture of the cement is, that is first main important basic raw material required, that is limestones. Second, that is called as clay. Alumina means the all are the requirements for making the manufacture of cement. That's why the fourth option is the correct option, that is all of the above. Due to which of the following property metal withstand the high temperature without fusion, that properties of that metal, that is called as a refractoriness of the properties. Next question. Dash dash is the process of joining the metal surface by introducing the molten non-ferrous alloy with melting point, that is above the 400 degrees Celsius between them. Means if I had to be above the 400 degrees Celsius, that is called as a brazing process. If below the 400 degrees Celsius, that is called as a soldering process. That's why the answer of this question is the B. Which of the following are the true for the high carbon steels? High carbon steels, that is a percentage, that is in between the 0.6 to the 1.5%, that is called as a high carbon steels. Next questions. Pig ions consist of, yes, there are the so many elements are added during the blast furnace process, that is iron is there, that is main component, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, manganese, silicon. That's why the fourth option is the correct answer of this questions. Dash dash is the process of joining the metal surface by introducing the molten non-ferrous alloy by melting point below the 400 degrees Celsius, that is called as a just we had to be see the in previous slide, that is above the 400 degrees Celsius, and here is below the 400 degrees Celsius, that's why it is called as soldering. The most of the heat liberated during the hydration of the Portland cement is due to the tricalcium aluminates. Which of the limes is used in the flux in the metallurgical process? Where do we use the flux as for removing the impurities, and this flux where do we commonly used in the form of the dolomites? Which of the lime has a large sand carrying capacities? That is a flat lime, that is the last option is there. The function of the limestone in the blast furnace is to remove the sandy impurities, that is B option is there. In the extraction of the iron from the hematite ore, coke is used as a reducing agent. The ingredients hematite, coke, limestones are added to the blast furnace for the extraction of the irons are in the ratio of 8:4:1. The chemical formula of CuFeS2 represent the copper pyrites, and from that you have to be extract the copper metal. Next, due to dash dash the property of copper used in the wire, making the wire and cable, that is called as the ductility properties there according to the definitions. Select the chemical composition of the poor or lean limes, that is the percentage of the uh, limes, that is about the 75%. Okay, in this way, thank you.